Hello everyone, welcome to Euphoria. I'm Elena. In this video we are going to learn how to do a half double crochet stitch. First let's make a foundation chain. I have made a chain of 10. And now we'll make our first half double crochet stitch. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the second chain. From your hook, yarn over and pull up the loop. You have now 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops on your hook. This is your first half double crochet stitch. Let's repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up the loop, yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. That's it. You can continue doing this pattern until you have reached the end of your chain. So here is the end of the row. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If it was helpful, please leave your comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!